Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Chandigarh location. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for billing executive position from Virgo Mark Private Limited from Chandigarh. So they are going to offer a salary between 15,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. So coming to job responsibilities, you need to manage billing and some accounts work for this position. So for more detailed information and also to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for back office executive position from VW Impex. So they are going to offer a salary will be 12,000 to 22,000 rupees per month, and you need to perform like customer support work and SAP offer and purchase order process. So this will be the job description, and if you want to apply for this back office executive position, and the link is available in the description, so you can check over there. One, there is a job opening for customer service representative position from PGEIN. So they are going to offer a salary will be between 25,000 to 40,000 rupees per month. And coming to job responsibilities, you need to provide and support service requirements of all assigned clients within a reason, and you need to receive incoming telephone calls from customers and administrative staff, and you need to provide solution to the customer and coordinate with the concerned sales location and assist, investigate and correct customer issues and order delays with appropriate solutions or alternatives and follow up, and you need to develop and maintain relationships with customers and input all relevant data for each call in the system and various administrative duties as assigned by operators. So these are the responsibilities for this position. And coming to minimum requirements, you should have done bachelor's degree in business or related field and skilled at providing exceptional service to customers over the phone or email, and you should be having experience related to the transportation industry, so it would be use asset, and you should be energetic and positive nature and high degree of accuracy and attention to detail, and effective problem solving skills and conflict resolution skills are required, and you should be proficient in Microsoft Office suite and ability to work independently and as a team member. So these are the requirements for this position. You please check with all the details provided here, and if you want to apply for this position, the link is available in the description, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for MIS executive job in Chandigarh. So it is from BMV Studio Z. So they are going to offer a salary will be 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month for this position. And coming to description, job description, you need to design, monitor, and analyze and troubleshoot the IT systems, and interpreting briefs and developing IT systems that meet all specifications and cost requirements. And you need to assist with the training and onboarding process, writing job descriptions for new positions, and assisting with interview and recruitment processes, and ensuring staff comply with company as well as health and safety regulations at all times, and you need to maintain, manage and update software, and supervising digital security, and ensuring all antiviruses and firewalls are regularly updated, and supervising the development and maintenance of websites and ensuring the protection of users data, and you need to analyze existing operations, protocols and processes and making plans for improvement, and conducting research, attending workshops and networking with other professionals in the industry. So these are the responsibilities, and if you are suitable to apply for this position, the link is available in the description, so you can check over there. Next one, there is a job opening for customer operations position. It is from Eclerts Services Private Limited from Chandigarh, and coming to job description, international BPO voice and chart process will be there. So these are the responsibilities, and the link is available in the description. So if you want to apply for this position, you can check over there. Next one, there is a job opening for MIS executive position. So it is from Mind Roots Private Limited from Chandigarh. So this position is for freshers only, and it is for only female candidates. So you should have done BA or BCom, BSc in IT, or BA or BCA or MCA or BTech. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and with excellent English communication skills are required. And so passed out of 2020 and 21, the candidates can eligible to apply for this position, and the candidates should be having good knowledge of computers, and the salary will be 8,000 to 9,000 rupees per month. And coming to job description, you need to work in their product team of Clip the Deal and data entry of Clip the Deal customer receipts, and you need to manage the receipts in the MIS system, and complete training will be provided by their team. So this will be the job description, and they are preferring to like candidates from the Chandigarh, Mohali, Jirakpur and Panchkula only. So no outsiders will be allowed. So for more detailed information, and if you are suitable to apply for this position, the link is available in the description. So you can check with that. Next one, there is a job opening for customer service internship position. So it is from Brilliant Systems from Chandigarh, and they are going to offer a salary will be 7,500 rupees per month. And coming to internship, day-to-day responsibilities would be you need to call customers for order confirmations and addressing customer grievance and ensuring orders fulfillment. And this is for students and freshers who wants to so those candidates are eligible to apply who are available for the full time in office, and the candidates should be having relevant skills and interest, and it will be starts from between 5th August 2021 to 9th September 2021, and it will be available for the duration of 3 months. So interested candidates, you can check with all the details, and if you are interested to apply for this position, the link is available in the description, so you can check over there. Next one, there is a job opening for process executive position. So MIS, it is from Excel Dynamics Private Limited from Chandigarh, and they are going to offer a salary will be 3 lakh to 4 lakh rupees per annum, and experience will be 1 to 6 years of experience you should be having to apply for this position. And job shift will be either day and or night. So uh, these are the job locations, so please check with this. And formal degrees are not a material in their hiring decision. So coming to job responsibilities, to get the raw data and paste it in applicable spreadsheets, and to get the set of reports through various dumps, and you need to work on MS Excel and generating MIS report as per company requirement, and you need to maintain and update records with accuracy. So these are the responsibilities, and if you are interested to apply for this position, the link is available in the description to apply, so you can check over there. Next one, there is a job opening for relationship executive position. It is from Tata Capital from Chandigarh. So graduates or postgraduates both are eligible to apply for this position. And coming to core responsibilities, proactively reach out to potential clients and explain the entire process of home loan while setting correct expectations, and manage end-to-end sales life cycle, tapping prospects, analyze their requirements, render advice, negotiate commercially, and ensure timely disbursement of loan. And you need to achieve the budgeted sales target from the designated regions on monthly basis. And so these are the job responsibilities. You please check with the each and every job responsibilities provided here, and if you want to apply for this position, the link is available in the description, so you can check with that. Next one, there is a job opening for backend operations internship position. It is from Farm Bazaar, so from Chandigarh, and they are going to pay you between 3,000 to 7,000 rupees per month for this internship. And coming to day-to-day responsibilities, it would be filling application forms, working on the back end, and you need to take care of all the data entry work. And so students and freshers both are eligible to apply for this position, and it is for full time in office internship, and the candidates should be having relevant skills and interest to do this position. And it is available for the duration of 6 months. So interested candidates, the link is available in the description, so you can apply through that. Next one, there is a job opening for computer operation staff position. So it is from GN Private Limited from Chandigarh, and they are looking for 3 computer operators, and it can be for male and female candidates. So both candidates are eligible, and it is for fresher candidates. So freshers are most welcome for this position. So the candidates should be having knowledge, like basic knowledge on computer, and location will be Chandigarh. So they are going to provide a decent salary package for the candidates. So urgent joiners will be preferred for this position. So for more detailed information about this position, and if you are interested to apply, the link is available in the description, so you can check with that. Next one, there is a job opening for customer care executive position. It is from Aman Creation. So they are going to offer a salary will be 8,000 to 27,000 rupees per month. And coming to roles and responsibilities, you should be having excellent communication skills in English and good typing speed, and you need to interact with users through a series of actions and answer all queries as well as resolve issues via chat or email, and you need to maintain and update records for daily queries and escalation, and you need to support the rollout of new application features and troubleshoot systems network problems, diagnosing and solving software issues at the user's end. So these are the roles and responsibilities. If you are interested to apply for this position, the link is available in the description, so you can check with that. Next one, there is a job opening for video making or editing internship. It is from We the Flossom, and they are going to pay you between 9,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. And coming to day-to-day responsibilities, you need to edit videos, and you need to work on promotional videos, and you need to work on the transition in the videos, and you need to create ambience and food videos, and also creating videos with funny content. So these are the responsibilities. So students and freshers both are eligible to apply, and it will be available for the duration of 2 months. So interested candidates, the link is available in the description, so you can apply through that. Next one, there is a job opening for content writing internship. So it will be internship. It is from Scintillation Research and Analytics Services. So they are going to offer a salary like stipend would be 12,000 rupees per month. And coming to day-to-day responsibilities, the candidates must have a technical background, and you need to like create original content for their websites, and you need to write original articles on given topics for blogs and newsletter purposes, and you need to develop content for the social media marketing channels for their company. So these are the day-to-day responsibilities. So freshers and students both are eligible to apply for this internship. So interested candidates, please check with all the details mentioned here, and the link is available in the description to apply, so you can check with that. Next one, there is a job opening for fashion design internship. So it is from Badado Business. So they are going to pay you 5,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. And coming to day-to-day responsibilities, it would be you need to work as a helping hand in the manufacturing and selling of women's clothing based culture, and you need to work with the marketing and business development team when needed. And so these are the responsibilities. So fresher candidates and as well as students both are eligible to apply for this internship. So it will be available for the duration of 2 months, and it will start between 5th August 21 and 9th September 21. So for more detailed information, and if you are interested to apply, the link is available in the description, so you can check with that. Next one, there is a job opening for graphic designer position. from the lots. So they are going to offer a salary will be 20,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. So they are hiring for a full-time experienced graphic designer for digital marketing agency based in Chandigarh. So the candidate must have 2 to 3 years of experience for this position. And if you are interested to apply, the link is available in the description, so you can apply through that. Next one, there is a job opening for graphic design internship position. It is from the brand palette. So they are going to offer a salary would be 6,000 to 8,000 rupees per month. And coming to day-to-day responsibilities, you need to work on social media creatives, and you need to work on website design graphics, and you need to work on the logo and other branding elements, and also work on print collaterals. So these are the day-to-day responsibilities. So students and as well as freshers both are eligible to apply, and it is available for the duration of 3 months. So if you are interested, you can please check with the all the details mentioned here, and the link is available in the description to apply for this position, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for UI or UX designer position from Super DNA Technolab Private Limited from Chandigarh, and so they are looking for UI UX designer on a part-time basis. So you should be having good knowledge of markup tools, and you should be having minimum 2 years of experience for this position, and the candidate should be good in designing workflows and worked with web and mobile both preferably. So for more detailed information, and if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for video editing, part-time job or internship at multiple locations. So it is from I am still human. So they are going to offer a salary will be 5,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. And for this internship, the day-to-day responsibilities will be editing videos, and you need to create and editing Instagram reels, and you need to create informative content. So these are the responsibilities. So freshers and students both are eligible to apply. So you can check here with the location. So in these locations, this internship will be there, and if you are interested, the link is available in the description. So to apply for this position, so you can check with that. Next one, there is a job opening for graphic design internship position. So it is from After Global. So they are going to offer a salary would be 7,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. And coming to day-to-day responsibilities, formulate design briefs and determine requirements, schedule projects within the defined constraints, conceptualize visuals based on requirements, and you need to prepare rough drafts and present ideas, and you need to develop illustrations, logos, and other collaterals from concept to final execution, and use color theory and color appropriation, and you need to work with the copy team to conceptualize and produce final designs, and you need to test graphics across various media and improve, iterate and amend designs according to feedback and requirements, and you need to ensure final graphics and layouts are visually appealing on brand. So these are the responsibilities. So both students and freshers are eligible to apply, and it will be available for the duration of 3 months. So you can check with the here the locations. So if you are interested, if you want to apply for this internship, the link is available in the description, so you can check with that. One, there is a job opening for video editor position. It is from Saffron Chariot Technologies. So they are going to offer a salary will be 12,000 to 13,000 rupees per month. And coming to responsibilities, you need to like collaborate with the team to ensure consistency of designs across various media outlets, and you need to create compiling effective and illustrative videos, and also maintain awareness of current industry and technology standards, social media, competitive landscape and market trends. So coming to qualifications, you should be having 1 to 3 years of experience in video editing, and having a strong communication, conceptual thinking, and animation and editing skills. So portfolio of work. So these are the details about this position, and the link is available in the description to apply for this, and you can check with that. Next one, there is a job opening for content writer. So it is from Cognital Technologies from Chandigarh, and to apply for this position, the candidate should be having 1 to 3 years of experience. And coming to skills details, you need to write, plan and review the content for company blog. Like some of the responsibilities are included here, you need to write, plan and review the content for company blog, social media and web pages, and write fresh and unique content for online marketing and helping internet marketing, and you need to write content on any topic provided and should be proficient, and conduct periodic check of content quality, online research and generate original content for company or business products or services, and grammatically sound, and high attention to details and ability to effectively manage multiple projects, and good presentation skills are required, and you should be energetic and focused team player, and having excellent verbal and written communication skills with a thorough knowledge of English language grammar, spelling, pronunciations, and with a flair of writing. And the candidate will be able to write SEO friendly content and ensuring timely and quality deliverables, and edit and proofread content. So these are the day-to-day responsibilities, and if you want to apply for this content writer position, the link is available in the description to apply, so you can check with that. Next one, there is a job opening for graphic designer position from Manthan Communications Private Limited from Chandigarh, and they are going to offer a salary will be 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month, and you should be having 3 to 5 years of experience in Corel Draw or Illustrator and Photoshop, and the candidate should have an attitude to learn, and so you should be having knowledge on software or social media, so it will be an added advantage for this position. And if you are interested to apply for this position, so the link is available in the description, so you can check with that. Next one, there is a job opening for content writing internship position from After Global. So they are going to offer a salary will be 7,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. And coming to about the internship or job, you need to create content marketing campaigns to drive leads and subscribers, and use SEO best practices to generate traffic to their site, and regularly produce various content types including email, social media posts, blogs and white papers, actively manage and promote their blog and pitch articles to relevant third party platforms, and you need to edit content and analyze content marketing metrics and make changes as needed, and also need to collaborate with the other departments to create innovative content ideas. So these are the responsibilities, and so students and both freshers both are eligible to apply, and it will be this internship will be available for the duration of 3 months. So for these locations, you please check with all the details mentioned here, and if you are interested to apply, and the link is available in the description, so you please go through with that. Next position will be digital marketing internship from After Global, and they are going to offer a salary will be 10,000 to 20,000 rupees per month for this internship. So selected interns day-to-day responsibilities will be evaluate and implement improvements on digital strategy and research the latest digital tools and interactive trends, optimize SEO, create integrated and cost-effective digital strategies, drive value for the organization, analyze and report on digital campaigns, and also analyze customer and user data. And you need to engage with clients, sales teams and management, map out how digital assets will be optimized for business results one, and you need to define and work on action of digital events. So these are the responsibilities. So both students and freshers both are eligible to apply, and it is available for the duration of 3 months for these locations like Chandigarh, Panchkula, Mohali and neighboring cities. So females willing to start or restart their career may also apply for these internships mentioned here. So for more detailed information, if you want to apply for this position, the link is available in the description to apply, so you can check with that. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.